Mind rolling that window down for me?
Sure.
No plate on the back. Gonna need you to step out. I'm just gonna check the rear. All right, what's...
Evening, officer.
Yeah? Go ahead.
Happy Halloween.
How many...
What? Okay, that's adorable. All right, you win. Good job, little guy.
What in the...
He's back on Maple, headed west.
It's the same guy?
Out of the car, now! Hands behind your back.
I wasn't trying
Save
to...
it.
Oh.
Package thief alert. Package thief alert.
Honey, the Santa's walking.
Bandit, quiet!
They're all walking. Get the camera, Joe.
I am the camera! You're finally here!
Watch the step, okay?
I see the cruiser.
Morning, officer! Good morning. Whoa! You almost face planted!
I'm fine.
Backpack attack.
Let's go. We're gonna be late.
See you later!
Whoa! Come on! Good job! Mini bike. Whoa!
Afternoon, ma'am. Mind rolling the window?
Hang on.
Sure.
You ready for this? Ha!
Oh, okay. What is... No way. All right, I'm in.
Hold on, sugar. Watch this.
Oh, wow. You serious? Okay.
I'm in.
Keep up, officer!
I'm trying!
Back up. Dispatch, this thing is unstoppable. Armored bulldozer heading east on Maple, plowing through everything, requesting more units now. Hey neighbor, I made way too much burger. Oh, no. This isn't even the right house. No one saw that. No one saw that.
Okay. What is happening? I'm not paid enough for this.
Slow night. Oh, jeez. What the?
Huh? Whatever.
We're gonna find that Long John Silver's. Hey.
Keep moving, boys. Grab what you can.
Whoa, freeze! Police!
Yeah, nobody move!
Look at these feathers thinking they're tough.
Scatter!
Hey, stop right! Whoa, careful with the... Ah! Get back here, furballs!
Unit 3 still in pursuit. Suspect on a lawnmower.
Hang tight. Giving her all she's got. Mailbox on the right. Show them how we do it, monkey.
Knock, knock, hook on the bell. Who's at the door? It's a donkey and sneakers, yeah, you know what for. Two-step, tail flick, porch light glow. Hit the rhythm with a braid, let the neighbors know. Hey, hey, watch them stomp, watch them sway. Little bit of groove.